Enterprise technology brings a myriad of benefits to the supply chain, but what happens when you can't manage your whole digital fleet? Without dependable support, even the best systems fall prey to costly errors, missed deadlines, and worker frustration. Going beyond standard MDM services, CSSI empowers automation plans with an intelligent lifecycle management service, so you can optimize your Android devices with intuitive visibility and timely alerts, all accessible at your fingertips. Free up your IT teams to focus on better initiatives while we monitor battery health, oversee device performance, manage security parameters, and simplify device reconfiguration, all to ultimately protect unbroken productivity. From standardized configuration to seamless decommissioning, manage your digital fleet with ease and fuel productivity with a team at your side. Contact CSSI today to get started.